Okay, got the kill shot all running and everything. It pretty decently pleased with how it runs. So guess just gonna start tidying up this wiring and stuff, and put the handheld in the dash and everything, and get everything all back together. I got this 3D printed holder for that handheld. I did all the measurements and everything myself, so I don't know how it's going to work out. It's either going to fit or it's not, but this is just a rough deal of it. Like, see, the corners are square and on this handheld they're round. I'm going to go ahead and later make another one, but for now this will just work. I'll just use the measurements I got off of this and try to figure out how to round these corners here. I don't know exactly how to do that, but I'll try to figure that out. But let's see if this thing will fit. Alright, that part mounted in there. Now just see if the screen fits in there. It does fit. Now all it needs is a little bit thinner up at the top, and the corners be rounded, and it shouldn't look too bad. So now off to the mounting of that computer there. Going to see where is a good spot to put it, and see how it works. For the mounting of the ECU, just going to use those 4 little cell tappers there, and going to be putting it right here on the side of the kick panel there, right above that vent, and it should work out alright. And then after I get that all mounted, I'm going to see what to do with all those wires. Got the ECU mounted right there, right above the kick panel. Fits just right. I just got to figure out what to do with all this wiring mess. And it should be good to go and all cleaned up. And after that, all that's left on this unit is to start tuning and stuff, and make everything a lot more yeah. Hey, wiring's all just hung there. It's a little bit more clean looking. Shouldn't be able to see it once the dash is all back together anyway, so should be alright. So now all that's left to do on this thing is put the dash together the rest of the way, and after that it's just going to be trying to tune it and make it where it doesn't have any more hesitation whenever you floor it faster, and it could start a little bit better too. It sometimes don't start on the first try. To put the handheld in the dash, first try I did was just for the measurements and everything. Just a square hole and everything, and just come
on, man.
And it worked out good. And then got this rounded one now. Gonna go ahead and put it in there and go ahead and put the rest of the dash back together. Looks like it fits in there pretty good. Looks like it's going to work out pretty nicely. Corners are just right. Alright, the interior's back together for the most part. Just need to put that airbag deal on, but the wire harness is just right there. It's easier to plug in with it out, so I'm just going to leave it out till figure out how to make this thing run as good as possible, and put it back together after done all that. And that's all there is to it.